ସେଠାକୁ ତୁରନ୍ତ ଯାଅ। Go there immediately. Go there immediately. କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲ ତୁମେ? What were you doing? What were you doing? ଚାଲ କିଛି ଖେଳିବା। Let's play something. Let's play something. ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲ? Where did you go? Where did you go? ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଅନି? Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. କିଛି କୁହନି। Don't say anything. Don't say anything. ମୋତେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ। Leave me. Leave me. ଏହା ବହୁତ ମହଙ୍ଗା। It's very costly. It's very costly. ତୁମେ ମନେ ରଖିଛ? Did you remember? Did you remember? ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛି। I understand. I understand. ଆମ ବିଷୟରେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଜାଣ? What do you know about us? What do you know about us? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଖାଇବ? What will you eat? What will you eat? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯିବ? Where will you go? Where will you go? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଖାଇବ ଏବଂ କ'ଣ ଖାଇବ ନାହିଁ? What to eat and what not to eat? What to eat and what not to eat? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଆସିବ? Where will you come? Where will you come? ସେମାନେ କେବେ ଆସିବେ? When will they come? When will they come? ସେ କେବେ ଯିବେ? When will he go? When will he go? ତୁମେ କେବେ ଯିବ? When will you go? When will you go? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯାଅ? Where do you go? Where do you go? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଚାହୁଁଛ? What do you want? What do you want? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ରହିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ? What do you want to live? What do you want to live? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ? What do you want to speak? What do you want to speak? ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ତୁମେ କିଏ? I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want to know you. I want to know you. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want to know about you. I want to know about you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଜାଣେ କିନ୍ତୁ ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଜାଣ ନାହିଁ. I know you but you don't know me. I know you but you don't know me. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଚାହୁଁଛ? What do you want? What do you want? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠୁ ଆସୁଛ? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? ତୁମର ସବୁ କିଛି ରହିବା ଉଚିତ. You should have everything. You should have everything. ତୁମ ପାଖରେ ଟଙ୍କା ରହିବା ଉଚିତ. You should have money. You should have money. ତୁମର ଏକ କାର୍ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ. You should have a car. You should have a car. ତୁମ ପାଖରେ ସମୟ ରହିବା ଉଚିତ. You should have time. You should have time. ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ ଥିଲା. You should have gone there. You should have gone there.